Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Dofollow backlinks using an AI website. So the website name is chat.queen.ai. Now type your website URL, the site you want to rank. First of all, we have to create web develop this button, and after that uh, enter our targeted keyword so the AI know what our site is about. Then add our anchor text. The anchor text is the clickable text that will be linked back to our website. After that, click on the generate backlinks. I already write it here and just paste it and enter. Now we have to wait for some time. Uh, it will generate a web page and backlinks for us. So it's very easy to use and very easy to create a uh, high tier do follow backlinks. You can use it for your brand website or your client's website. It will be very powerful links. And please subscribe my channel if you like this type of content. And here also the website is working, and we have to wait. So stay with me. Yeah, it's done now. So check the preview. This is the website uh, he built for us. Like superb. Diverse SEO backlink. This is my main keyword, and it's already show my website here. You can check diverse SEO backlink, and also here, it's fine. It's very easy. Anyone can do this type of backlinks. That's it. This is the easiest way to create a Doflow backlinks with AI. Now our job is to publish. This is the backlinks URL. So we paste it and again see it's working or not. Fine. Also, you can check the website DR with here, the website authority checker. I think the website DR will be 70 plus, and this is a Doflow backlinks 70 pair domain rating. It's very powerful backlinks. So that's it. If you want more simple tutorial like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. So bye for now. Thank you.